Ito mga mystery decks na to from Art of Play. 2022 pa to. So magto 2 years na to dito sa store. So gawin natin, bubuksan natin lahat and see kung meron tayong makuhang rare deck. First one. It is a Just Type. Second deck. Dreyfus Art playing cards. This is the third deck. DKNG wheels na purple. Fourth one. Eames, Black Edition. Fifth deck. This is Tempo playing cards. Halfway there. Sixth deck. It's an ultimate deck. One of the best sellers. Ito, pang pito to. It's another purple DKNG wheels. Eighth deck. It's a cybernetic playing cards. Ninth deck. Ramen Heads playing cards. And last mystery deck for 2022. Lady Moon version 2 yata to. So ito mga nabuksan natin na decks, we'll put it on the site. So kung ano yung specific na kailangan nyo, mabibili nyo. Yun lang.